Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. Today I'm here with another collaboration between High Street and designer. I'm here to review Another Story's newest collection with designer Rejina Pyo. She is a Central St Martin's graduate. She graduated in 2011 after moving to London in 2008 as a fashion student, and she's since become a regular at every London Fashion Week. And she's known for her very overly effeminate, abundantly patterned pieces with oversized flamboyant silhouettes, particularly dresses and blouses. Now, upon looking on Another Story's website, I did see a lot of Rejina's aesthetic translate into this collection, which I'm excited about. So I'll be interested to go through what I have purchased and let you guys know how each item fits my body type, what I think of the designs in general, and what I will decide to keep at the end. First up is an item that when I saw it on the website, it immediately caught my eye as a Rejina Pyo signature staple. It is this blazer. Now this is the first time I'm seeing it because this order was finally delivered today. And just by looking at the fabric up close, I assume it's made by linen. I didn't check online when I ordered. Let's see. It's organic cotton and it's a sustainably sourced material, as you can see by this tag. And this is really cute. I love the all one tone that it's given me. It's very spring with its light, like oatmeal kind of colour. What I love about this blazer is it has a square neckline, which you don't normally see, with no lapels, so it's just colourless design. And I really like the button through feature. Now this is a signature detail I've noticed in Rejina Pyo's collections consistently. In her spring summer 2020 line, she did have a blazer that was very similar to this style, nearly identical, with a button through, and it had the waist belt also, as this one does here. Is it removable? I think it is removable, which is nice, so you can alternate how you like to wear this. Trying this on, it really fit me perfectly. I also like the fact that it has some cutouts at the sides, some little vents, so it gives some room for me with someone who is slightly big on the bottom half with some hips. I think it's more flattering, that cut, so I definitely appreciate that. The only gripe I would say, the sleeves are slightly short for me. I would prefer them to be a bit more longer. I don't know if that's something to do with my height. I'm on the taller side. Otherwise though, I really like this design. I think it's very cute. Next up is a simple staple. This is a pair of shorts. I believe, well, these look like city shorts, that kind of style. They sit high in the waist from what I saw in the pictures online, and they're very loose fitting on the leg, and that's the perfect cut for me. I prefer shorts to be a bit more loose and comfortable. I like that kind of boy short vibe. It has some pleat detail on the leg, which allows more movement, you know, more comfortability. And this was in a Europe 36, which is a size 10. So I'll try these on and let you guys know how they fit. I love these shorts. I think these are going to blend really easily into my wardrobe for spring going into summer. They are of a lightweight, breathable fabric, which I really appreciate. I think the leg is a little bit on the wide side, so if you guys wanted something a bit more slim fitting, perhaps I would stay away from this design. But for me personally, I don't mind it. I like it. And it also has side pockets, which I didn't realise, as well as back pockets, which is handy. And the zip closure to me is a secure fit. Sometimes with trousers and shorts, they can ride up with just a side zip closure, but I think this is perfect in terms of how these shorts fit on me. Altogether, it just leaves for a really comfortable and easy fit. Now this is a staple I've been so excited to talk about. It was the first item I believe I ordered out of the collection. As soon as I saw the model wearing it, I had to have it. This is a black dress. It's long length, like a mid to maxi length, and it has like a slightly sheerish detail at the top. I don't know if this is a chiffon fabric, I'm not too sure. And there's a long zip fastening also that goes all the way down. I love this. I love a nice oversized silhouette when it comes to sleeves and shoulders. That's like my thing. I love everything about this dress. It's comfortable. The fabric is really easy flowing, not restrictive at all, but I do like the fact that it still nips in at the waist and gives you just an overall flattering figure. Apparently the intention behind this collection was to provide pieces that were flexible and accommodating to all and other stories customers, very inclusive of size and shape, and so far I've been really impressed. I think that each item I've shown, maybe perhaps not the blazer, but definitely the dress and the shorts, it's adhering to that, which I'm happy to see. Last up is another dress. It is this bright and airy piece. Everything about it is puffy and big and free-flowing, from the sleeves, which are really massive, as you can see here, and a really elasticated top. So I think, I'm not sure how the model was wearing online, I can't remember, but this allows you to wear, you know, up onto your shoulders or further down, like in a bardot style. This is really comfortable, ideal for someone who just wants that kind of A-line, minimal spring summer style of dress. I do think I could have gone a size, maybe even 2 smaller, just because the oversized fit is quite big. And I also will say, trying this on, I wasn't sure, I couldn't tell if it was like slightly see-through, the fabric. I don't know, hopefully the camera will make it a bit more, pick it up more, but it gave me like semi-sheer vibes. So you might have to wear something underneath this, which is annoying. Like, I would rather not have to put on 2 garments, especially when the weather's warmer, just because it's a bit see-through. Having looked over all the items, I would say by far my favourite is the black dress with the billing sleeves. I feel like that's pretty obvious in my reaction. I love this. I love how dramatic it is, and I love that it's black yet has like a light summer fabric. I would say my least favourite would be the last dress. I'm just confused as to the fabric, you know, this kind of semi-sheer, is it sheer, is it not? I'd rather just be clear on that, and I just think that's kind of irritating, having to layer up a dress when it's made for like the hotter months. I don't really see the point of that. It's kind of counterproductive. Let me know your thoughts on the items I've shown you guys in the comments below. Please subscribe and don't forget to click on that notifications button, because I'll be back with a new video very soon.